YouTube Wagwan, man, you know you're turning into Click React, and today we're gonna be looking at Adinross meeting Kodak. I just saw this the preview of this video. Every time I see Kodak, correct me if I'm wrong, he looks different. I don't know what he's on, but every single time it's either he loses weight, he gains weight, his hair looks shorter, his hair looks longer. Like, it's crazy, man. But we're just gonna see what was going on, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like. And let me know what you think about the meeting, man. I think I seen academics in there. I hope he's not in there because I hate that guy. But hey, man, we're just gonna get right into it. I'll see you guys later.
Let's go.
Really on that shit.
Hey, I'm gonna turn it out though. 23.
Bro, that is not Kodak. Who is this, bro?
23, you going crazy.
Turn up. It's done. For sure.
And what I want to say is for my camera, bro. Florida, you know what I'm saying? What he's done for Florida, the sound, and what you done for the community and Florida, bro.
I've been figuring this shit out like this month. I've been figuring this shit out. I just want to chill, make music. I just want to be here, you know. It's just like, you know, just
Beat in the background is hard though.
chill, make music, stay out of trouble, stay out the way. That's it. That's all it's about.
It's all about for you. You just spread love, bro. And I love that, bro.
Staying out of trouble.
Legend.
That's it.
Legend right here, I swear.
That's all I want to do. Stay out of trouble.
He's really just legit, bro. Real jit.
Yo, hold on.
This nigga said he's a real jit. Like, that's not. I didn't think that he could make that sound white, but he
Get
did.
this recorded. I ain't gonna lie though. Yak sent me off on a dummy mission. Yak told me you lost mad weight with them burpees. That shit don't work, nigga.
That shit work.
Nah, how'd you
Bro,
act?
you're just a fat ass academics. Big act. Yeah, you just you eat too many Big Macs. You know what I'm saying?
How'd you lose it, though? It was
You do the
burpees.
Burpees.
Yeah.
They work out everything. Your stomach, your chest, your arms,
I ain't gonna lie.
shoulders.
You need to listen to him, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Nah, I ain't gonna lie.
Your legs.
Nah, Yak capping. Yak.
What academics is focused on is working his goddamn mouth. He loved to run that shit before. Instead of running himself, you want to run his mouth.
Your whole body workout, man.
But yeah, like I said, man, that he looks different every time. He looks so much skinnier, man. But good for him, man. He's getting healthy and shit.
Burpees, nigga.
Burpees is kind of crazy.
Burpees, bro.
Bro, 100 burpees
Burpees,
a
man.
day.
Stop counting.
Burpees, man.
You right?
And burpees, like, bro, you gonna start sweating instantly, like on your third,
It's
fourth
cardio.
Yeah, but what about diet, though?
Burpees ain't.
Obviously, diet matters.
Burpees. And said it, yeah.
A burpees is a full body workout.
And said it.
Get on
On your,
it.
on your burpees, you gonna sweating automatically.
Yo, why these guys? Why are they yelling at each other? Why don't they just turn the music down?
So I gotta get the burpees wave then. That's what I gotta do. What about diet, though? You clean up your diet or not?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, see, I'm in the feds. Every nigga go to the feds, come home real. That's like all the state shit, county jail shit. I mean, you come home big, like you come home fat.
I mean, he was not eating good, so that does make sense. And maybe you was working out in there because there's nothing else to do, so that does make sense.
Shit like that.
So what if-
everybody
what if
in the feds, cause it's like you with niggas. I'm just saying, like you with niggas like in your car and shit. They gonna make sure you working out just in case a war pop off or anything.
For sure.
Everybody working out, homie. You know what I'm saying?
Like
Everybody,
that?
everybody working out.
So
Hell yeah.
what about someone like me who no fence? What do you do?
We gotta send you to the feds, nigga.
Oh, so I gotta just go to the fence?
No, the
Feds,
feds.
idiot.
Feds.
What the
Fence at the
white
feds.
boys
Talk
got?
straight with it.
Really?
The white boys killing shit. Where? What?
Damn.
White
That's
boys
motivation
killing
right
shit.
there.
I ain't gonna lie, but they be killing each other like a bitch. They the niggas who
Word?
they stay on their rules. They take their rules seriously. Like, you know how black niggas, I'm like, if you snitch, they be black niggas get serious about the snitch and shit. Black niggas gonna be a little serious about the snitch and shit.
Yeah.
A
But then,
little serious.
Alright, whatever.
Matters
Yeah.
sometimes, like
Yeah, honestly, Kodak is a real one, bro. Honest to God.
today matters.
Man, the
Not
white boys,
tomorrow.
they killing your ass. Man.
Oh, word?
Yeah.
Damn.
They killing your ass. Black niggas might be like, all right, don't gun, don't whip your dick out on the CO, don't whip your dick out on the CO. Sometimes they'll let they niggas do it. You know what I'm saying? Shit like, white boy, what? You know what I'm saying? Sales sergeant come be like, hey man, Jake, Tyler, you gunning up? I swear to God, when white boys,
like
That's
that,
it.
man. Them
Bring
white
lit.
boys that.
They're crazy.
Every nigga gonna vouch. Everybody gonna vouch. When white boys that.
I will not be doing any of that activity. I'm good on that. Hopefully, I never have to spend a day behind the bars and shit, so. Ak, what about you? You ever done some time? What? Was that federal? Is that federal?
He done time at
You on the
McDonald's.
cover right now?
Or shut up, you're a
Good, right,
fed.
we got 'em.
Hey, I love Florida.
No, Florida's really
I
lit.
love Florida.
It's better than LA. Florida is better than LA.
Hey,
What you
Really?
think? Florida better than LA?
hey,
100%, bro. Dude,
yo,
you know
yeah,
already.
You know
Yeah.
what I like?
Florida or LA? Now you're
Yo,
Florida
you know
or
what's
LA.
funny to me that Fresh and Fit podcast that guy is considered fit. Sorry, fresh. I don't see it. I don't know. Maybe I just don't know what fresh is, but none of them seem what. Fit doesn't seem fit either. He just looks like a skinny guy with a high metabolism.
He hates LA.
Yo, you know I realize he like a president out here. Nigga.
What you like? Florida, LA more?
Like, as in what?
All around.
Bro, the man's
like,
from
I'm
Florida.
talking like all
Like,
around.
where's he gonna pick?
living, everything.
You think as in where I'd rather stay?
In
Yo,
general,
this beat
yeah.
inspired.
But I'm saying like all around though, like whether it's
Oh, he got an Asian girl in there.
Hey,
eating,
Diversity.
You gotta be here.
Oh no, she's not Asian.
I met some bitches that they talk about you like you
Oh, wait,
the
is this
president, nigga.
academics girl?
Yeah, special.
The one that he took the purse
I
from?
met some Broward bitches. Ratchet hoe. They talk about you like you the president.
Show that.
They said that? They say he's like the president? Damn.
He is. Yeah. First time I'm here, the bitches.
Hold on. I'm gonna show you them right now.
Yo, they talk about you like you the president. I'm like, yo.
That love, that real now.
I didn't think of it like that.
Get a shot with me, man.
Come on, let's do it.
Smoke.
Double cup. You know.
Nah, Adin my boy, man.
Yeah, this why you won't lose weight, academics. All you do is drink and goddamn eat junk food, man. Look at your fat ass hands.
Life. For life. I really fuck with act. What's the toast to? Call it toast.
I want to toast to your success.
Yeah.
I want to toast to
The journey shit we be talking about.
journey, bro.
Toast.
I love it.
Love.
Many more streams.
Damn.
Y'all know, bitch, I supposed to have a million
Hold
Grammy.
on, though.
Look, y'all know I supposed to have a million Grammy. Okay, but fuck the Grammy for the award, cause sometimes
But I be
your shit don't
arguing.
always come as a trophy.
You be getting it though.
Yeah.
Sometimes your shit don't always come as a trophy.
True.
Look
Facts.
how a real nigga gotta get. Look how a real nigga gotta get their award. Well, my motherfucking, I count the Trump part, and that's my Grammy. That's my award then. All right, you know what I'm saying? Cause at first when I was sitting at this shit, like, damn, woman, y'all know Super Granny was the highest shit, still the highest shit.
It's the biggest song of the
Even
year.
though,
Nah,
even though a lot of them motherfuckers had good songs and
Well,
shit.
you know that shit though.
And they shit,
Stop
what you
playing.
call it? Y'all still ain't giving me my shit, homie.
That's how it goes sometimes, man.
I ain't bending backwards. Y'all know that. I'm saying on some shit like, homie, give him my shit.
Yeah,
So now
no,
I'm
he's
on
right.
some shit like,
That's how I
okay.
fuck with it.
So now I'm on my shit like, okay,
Okay.
alright, boom, boom. So all right then, fuck
It's not
it.
just a trophy.
Yeah, for sure. So I guess.
So you fucking. I don't know. I ain't close to you.
Real nigga, I guess that's my award. That's how I got. That's my award right there. That's my trophy. Oh, the party.
Yeah, that's huge.
That's legend though. Hood nigga, street nigga, real nigga from the way.
That's insane.
Over there.
That doesn't happen.
Honestly, some of the time, most of the time, when
always
I'm
look
talking,
at
I don't know
LJ
what he's
shit
in.
Like that, dog, 'cause
Like-
he came up around the same
Right,
time.
right.
Over Papa Nose came, we blew up around the same time.
Well-
Shit. He getting out this shit with the Ravens. I had this rookie contract. I getting out this shit with Atlanta at my rookie contract. Same time. At the same time. Man.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
If you say you the Warriors,
Bro, you
just
can't
won a
speak with
championship,
girls, man. Take that shit out your mouth.
You gonna let
Okay.
Steph Curry go?
Absolutely not.
No. Are you gonna let Jordan Poole go?
No.
No.
You can't let none
That's
of
the
the key.
future.
You can't let none of the key pieces go,
Absolutely not.
nigga. You Atlantic, nigga. You've been dominating the youth for the last 8 years. You got Yak on your team. Contract renewal time, nigga. You can't let him go.
Absolutely not.
Almost out.
How you gonna let that nigga go?
Can't.
Stupid. Once you
What's
start
your
doing
point?
that, we know what your goal ain't really to win a championship. You're
Nah.
selling.
You're selling at that point.
That's what it is.
Makes sense.
Yo, honestly, every video I've seen Kodak and he seems chill as fuck. This guy even stopped listening to academics halfway because that nigga just lost it. Fucking yap. But it seemed like a pretty chill vibe, man. Like Kodak is funny all the time. I don't know what it is about this man, and the fact that he's always losing weight is scary, but it's sick that it shows that he's disciplined. You know what I'm saying? But guys, appreciate you for watching. Drop a like. Don't forget to sub. I'll see you guys later.